Look at the stuff we got to do, go through to go fishing.
Old, man. Motherfucker still, he about to be 50, right, that's what I'm saying. We still got to wait on him. Hell
yeah.
We can't just let D up under this bitch. We got to put him up under here.
That's my big rally. I got to make sure it's
This is what we got to do to go fishing.
How we just going to get D old ass up under here?
He's sliding.
See, we got to get
and you got the boots. Yeah, he all right.
There you go.
You know Randy a mechanic though too.
Right.
Randy be getting busted up by transmissions and shit. Randy used to getting busted up. Transmission busted his ass in the head. Bang.
Grab that Corey and come on down.
We don't need them minnows here, do we?
You ever try one in there? You never know. You're gonna take the minnows. There's bass in this motherfucker that's huge. Remember that big ass stringer that I got on that picture?
What are you doing?
Nah, bro, just send him the keys and make sure I got them.
I gave them to you. Put them in your pocket.
But I just crawling up this hill. Ooh.
See?